Hey there, Toyota fans! Today, we're putting to stylish and versatile Toyota head-to-head the 2025 Toyota Highlander and the all-new 2025 Toyota Crown Signia. Both offer plenty of space, hybrid efficiency, and premium features, but which one is the better choice for you? Is the Highlander's three-row practicality the way to go? Or does the sleek and luxurious Crown Signia steal the show? Let's break it all down! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss a thing. The 2025 Toyota Highlander packs a choice between a 2.4-liter turbo four-cylinder pumping out 265 horsepower or a 0.5-liter hybrid making to 143 horsepower. You get front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, and the fuel economy ranges from 24 to 35 mpg. Pretty sweet for a big old SUV. Prices start at $39,520 and go up to $53,675. So you better start saving those donut coupons. Fancy! The 2025 Toyota Crown Signia is a stylish hybrid SUV with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder making to 140 horsepower. It comes standard with all-wheel drive and gets a wallet-friendly 38 mpg combined, less gas, more money for snacks. Prices range from $43,590 to $47,990, making it a luxurious yet efficient ride for those who want something a little extra. Now we're talking. The Highlander can seat up to 8 people, perfect for hauling the whole family, and a trunk full of Duff Beer. I mean groceries. It also comes with an available multi-train selector, so you can take it off-road or at least pretend you're on an adventure to the Quickie Mart. Plus, with 14 cup and bottle holders, everyone gets a drink. That's messed up. No standard all-wheel drive. Come on, Toyota. Also, the standard 8-inch center screen is puny compared to the Crown Signia's 12.3-inch setup and the 7-inch gauge cluster. The Crown Signia gives you 12.3 inches of digital goodness as standard. So fancy! The Crown Signia comes with standard leather seats, plus heated and ventilated front seats and heated rear seats, fancy schmancy. It also gets better gas mileage than the Highlander Hybrid. Comes with standard wireless charging, a heated steering wheel, and a hands-free power liftgate. No need to juggle your groceries like a circus act. Oh boy, here we go. This ground clearance than the Highlander, only 6.7 inches versus 8 inches. So maybe don't go off-roading too hard. No 120-volt outlets, while the Highlander has 2. Where am I supposed to plug in my donut warmer? And the towing capacity, only 2,700 pounds, which is way less than the Highlander's 5,000-pound limit. Not great if you want to haul a trailer full of snacks. The Highlander ain't some fancy luxury car, but who needs all that when you've got space? Sure, you can add some premium goodies, but they don't come standard like in the Crown Signia. But hey, it starts at a lower price, fits more people, and is just better for big families. Plus, with our ground clearance and that multi-train selector, it's way more ready for adventure. Now, the Crown Signia, so fancy, it can't fit as many people or tow a giant trailer full of Duff Beer. But who cares when it's packed with luxury? Standard all-wheel drive, plush features, and a hybrid engine that sips gas instead of guzzling it? Now that's classy! So which one would you drive? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell.